How to put emojis in your Discord status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put emojis in your Discord status. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your Discord app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account and then head over to the bottom right corner on your U page. That is your account. So after you're here, you will see this small pop-up right beside your profile picture that says add status. All you have to do is tap on add status, and from here you can simply just choose your emojis, whichever you want to put. And after you do that, you can tap on save button on the top right corner. You can choose from a wide variety of your keyboard's emojis. You can choose whichever you want and then tap on save. After you tap on save, as you can see, the status has now been changed. And that's basically how you put emojis in your Discord status. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more.